There are 20 questions in this video. For every question you have 5 seconds to answer. Put your answer in the comment box if you know. Which is the most common method of measuring economic development? Option A. Profit loss. B. Economic. C. Sales. D. Import export. Right answer is option B. Economic. Coming to the next question. Question number 2. What are the developmental goals of landless rural laborers? Option A. More days of work and better wages. Option B. Acquirement of land for self-tilling. Option C. More hours of work. Option D. Self-reliance. Right answer is option A. More days of work and better wages. Coming to question number 3. What brings about stable economic? Option A. Better wages. B. Work opportunities. C. Regular work. D. Decent price for their crops or other products. And the right answer is option C. Regular work. The next question. Besides seeking more income, there is something people resent. What is it? Option A. Getting fewer wages for more work. Option B. Discrimination. C. No work. D. Poverty. Right answer is option B. Discrimination. There should be no discrimination between two peoples or two communities. Coming to question number 5. What is the one factor on which our life depends? Option A. Employment. B. Security of work. C. Money or material things that one can buy with it. Option D. Freedom. Right answer is option C. Money or material things that one can buy with it. Question number 6. If women are engaged in paid work, what difference does it make? Option A. Their dignity in the household and society decrease. B. No difference. C. No dignity. D. Their dignity in the households and society increase. Right answer is option C. Their dignity in the household and society increase. Question number 7. Different person could have dash notion of a country's development. Option A. Different as well as conflicting. B. Same. C. Indifferent. D. No. Right answer is option A. Different as well as conflicting. Coming to the question number 8. What is considered to be one of the most important attributes when we compare countries at the level of development? Option A. Industrial development. B. Resources of the country. C. Income. D. Export import. Right answer is option D. Import export. Coming to the question number 9. More income means dash. Option A. Average out of needs of people. B. More of all things that human beings need. Option C. No effect on the common man. D. More businesses. Right answer is option B. More of all things that human beings need. Question number 10. Dash is the total income of the country divided by its total population. Option A. Per capita income. B. Gross income. C. Net income. D. Total income. Right answer is option D. Total income. Question number 11. In World Development Reports brought out by the World Bank, which criteria is used in classifying countries? Option A. Total income. B. Gross income. C. Per capita income. D. Net income. Right answer is option C, per capita income. Question number 12. Which of the following neighboring countries has better performance in terms of human development than India? Option A, Bangladesh, B, Sri Lanka, C, Nepal, D, Pakistan. Right answer is option B, Sri Lanka. Coming to the question number 13. Countries with per capita income of US dollar dash per annum and above in 2016 are called rich countries. Option A, 12,126, B, 11,246. Option C, 12,056. Option D, 10,056. Right answer is option C, 12,056. Let's see the next question. Question number 14. Countries with per capita income of US dollar dash or less are called low income countries. Option A, 995, B, 885, C, 955, D, 855. Right answer is option C, 955. Question number 15. Which category does India come under? Option A, high income countries, B, low middle income countries, C, low income countries, D, high middle income countries. Right answer is option B, low middle income countries. Question number 16. What was India's per capita income in 2017? Option A, US dollar 1950 per annum, B, US dollar 1880 per annum. Option C, US dollar 1930 per annum. Option D, US dollar 1820 per. Right answer is option D, US dollar 1820 per annum. Coming to the question number 17. What can money not buy you? Option A, unadulterated medicines, B, water, C, pollution free environment. Option D, organic food. Right answer is option C, pollution free environment. Coming to the question number 18. Why does Kerala have a low infant mortality rate? Option A, adequate provision of basic health and educational facilities. Option B, suitable climate. Option C, pollution free environment. D, good water. Right answer is option A, adequate provision of basic health and educational facilities. Coming to the question number 19. Over the past decade or so, dash indicators have come to be widely used along with income as a measure of development. Option A, health and nutrition, B, health and education, C, child development, D, human development. Right answer is option B, health and education. Coming to the question number 20 and the last question of this video. According to the Human Development Report 2018, United Nations Development Program, which two countries have a higher life expectancy at birth rate than India? Option A, Sri Lanka and Myanmar. Option B, Pakistan and Nepal. C, Pakistan and Bangladesh. D, Nepal and Bangladesh. Question number 20 is for you. Put your answer in the comment box. I will reply. This is the first part of this video. Check the description box for part 2. Share the video with your friends. Like the video, subscribe and press the bell icon to get updates from